Hi, everyone. My name is Jessica, and welcome to this English listening practice. I hope you are feeling good today and you are ready to listen and learn. Today, I want to talk about camping. Last weekend, I went camping with my friends, and it was a very nice trip. We did not go very far. We went to a camping place about 1 hour from my city. We stayed there for one night, and then we came back home the next day. It was short, but it was fun. Where did we camp? We camped in a national park. In many places, people do not camp anywhere they want. They go to parks that are safe and organized. In this park, there were many camping spots, and other people were also camping near us. We had our own place, but we could still see our neighbors. The park had clean toilets, water, and a place to make a fire. There was also a wooden table so we could sit and eat. We paid a small fee to stay there, and it helped keep the place clean. For sleeping, we used a tent. Some people like to sleep in a camper van, but I like a tent more. It feels more like real camping. Our tent was easy to set up. We arrived in the afternoon, so we had daylight. That is important because it is hard to set up a tent at night. Inside the tent, we put sleeping bags on the ground. I also brought a small pillow from home. It was not super comfortable, but it was okay. At night, we heard some animals in the forest. I think it was an owl and maybe some small animals. I felt a little nervous, but it was also interesting. In the morning, I woke up early because the sun was bright. My favorite part was cooking. We made a fire and cooked simple food. We cooked sausages on long sticks, and we also warmed bread near the fire. After that, we roasted marshmallows. They became soft and sweet. We laughed a lot and talked around the fire. We told stories and took photos. It felt relaxing because there were no big buildings and no loud traffic. Just trees, fresh air, and quiet sounds. I think camping is great because you can change your normal routine. You spend time outside, you do simple things, and you feel closer to nature. If you can try camping one day, I really recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and listening with me today. I hope this practice helped your English. Have a wonderful day. Take care, and goodbye, everyone.